That's what you want, right? GA. Casa Souls, they coming out February 15th, niggas. Let's get it. I swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth and the whole truth, so help me. All right, then. Let's get it. When they said I wasn't real,
What you do?
I showed my ass. When they said that I was over with,
What you do?
I got that cash. When they locked me in that cage,
What you do?
I just got smarter. When them niggas fucked us over, got it back and hustle harder.
Yeah.
Fuck niggas, I pray for them. My real niggas, I lay for them. First class in that G5, with no bags, I pay for them. Roll with me, so O's with me. Hustle hard in that cold with me. Took a trip on bad direction, got banged up, no fold in me. Came home and these same niggas shitting over my name, nigga. Hand out for a handout, can't get right, them lame niggas. Told the world I got bedtime. Crazy charges with dead time. No snitch, nigga, no bitch, nigga. I laid in hell, my dick, nigga. Really what you know about that? Put the whole game on my back. Now time's up, you stuck, nigga, no luck, nigga, I'm back. I'm hearing basic, these niggas pitch. Apply pressure, these niggas flip. We run blocks, these niggas skip. Infatuated by these niggas, bitch. Second chance at a new life. Thank me later, get paid, nigga. Move around with that move around. It's a 2 pound, get blazed, nigga. Real life, no Pulp Fiction. Long nose, that cold edition. Crack 5, get baptized, let them bleed out, no whole stitching. Air fists or air fists. Spook niggas like Blair Rich. Shooters stay on standby. They unruly with a pair of fists.